This major renewal project is home to the University of British Columbia's, or UBC's, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, ECE. The project transforms a poorly performing existing 1963 building nearing the end of its service life into a showcase of 21st century. Concrete is the primary building material for seismic upgrades that meet building code requirements. Introducing micropiles reduce the footprint of new foundations, while 3.3 feet deep concrete shear walls resist in-plane lateral forces. The strategy used shotcrete to place the new concrete walls and used the existing walls as a single side form.